Superfoods have gained immense popularity in recent years due to their remarkable health benefits and nutritional value. These foods are often referred to as nature's powerhouses because they are packed with an abundance of essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and other beneficial compounds. Incorporating superfoods into your diet can have a profound impact on your overall well-being and help you achieve optimal health. What are superfoods? Superfoods are nutrient-dense foods that provide a wide range of health benefits when consumed as part of a balanced diet. They are typically rich in antioxidants, phytochemicals, fiber, and healthy fats. These foods are known for their ability to promote good health, boost the immune system, enhance brain function, improve digestion, and even reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Top 10 Superfoods, a countdown of the most nutrient-dense and health-promoting superfoods you need to include in your diet. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are packed with fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. They can help regulate blood sugar levels, support digestive health, and promote satiety. Kale. Kale is a leafy green vegetable that is rich in vitamins A, C, and K. It also contains antioxidants and is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Adding kale to your diet can support heart health and boost your immune system. Quinoa. Quinoa is a gluten-free grain that is high in protein, fiber, and essential minerals such as magnesium and iron. It provides sustained energy, aids in digestion, and supports muscle growth and repair. Salmon. Salmon is a fatty fish that is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, high-quality protein, and vitamin D. Regular consumption of salmon can improve heart health, support brain function, and reduce inflammation. Blueberries. Blueberries are known for their high antioxidant content, particularly anthocyanins. They provide numerous health benefits, including improved cognitive function, reduced risk of heart disease, and enhanced immune function. Almonds. Almonds are packed with healthy fats, fiber, protein, and essential nutrients like vitamin E and magnesium. They are beneficial for heart health, weight management, and can help lower cholesterol levels. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a protein-rich food that also contains probiotics, promoting a healthy gut. It provides calcium, supports bone health, and aids in digestion. Opt for plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt for the best nutritional value. Spinach. Spinach is a nutrient-dense leafy green vegetable rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron, calcium, and folate. It is beneficial for eye health, bone health, and may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Turmeric. Turmeric contains the compound curcumin, known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It has been linked to numerous health benefits, including improved brain function, reduced risk of heart disease, and potential anti-cancer properties. Berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. Berries top the list as some of the most potent superfoods. They are loaded with antioxidants, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Regular consumption of berries can improve cardiovascular health, support brain function, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Benefits of superfoods. Incorporating superfoods into your diet can have a multitude of benefits, including enhanced nutritional intake. Superfoods are nutrient powerhouses, offering a wide range of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that contribute to overall health and well-being. Improved immune function. The antioxidants and phytochemicals found in many superfoods can strengthen the immune system and help the body fight off illnesses and infections. Reduced inflammation. Many superfoods possess anti-inflammatory properties, which can help alleviate chronic inflammation in the body, a common factor in various diseases. Increased energy levels. Superfoods provide the body with high-quality nutrients and slow-releasing energy, helping to sustain energy levels throughout the day. Support for brain health. Certain superfoods, such as fatty fish, berries, and nuts, contain compounds that can enhance cognitive function, improve memory, and protect against age-related cognitive decline. Superfood Smoothies. Delicious and easy-to-make smoothie recipes packed with superfoods to boost your energy and overall health. Berry Blast Smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, 1 banana, 1 cup spinach, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 cup almond milk or any milk of your choice, 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup, optional for added sweetness. Add all the ingredients to a blender. Blend on high until smooth and creamy. If the consistency is too thick, add more milk. If it's too thin, add some ice cubes and blend again. Pour into a glass and enjoy. Green Goddess Smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup spinach, 1 ripe avocado, 1 cup cucumber, chopped 1 green apple, cored and chopped, 1 tablespoon fresh ginger, grated, juice of 1 lemon, 1 cup coconut water or plain water. Superfoods for specific health goals. Discover the best superfoods for weight loss, brain health, immunity, and more. Superfoods can play a significant role in supporting specific health goals. Here are some superfoods that can be beneficial for various health objectives. Weight loss. Green tea boosts metabolism and aids in fat burning. Chia seeds, high in fiber and promote satiety, helping you feel fuller for longer. Avocado contains healthy fats that promote feelings of fullness and reduce overeating. Brain health. Fatty fish, egg, salmon, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, essential for brain health and cognitive function. Blueberries, packed with antioxidants that can improve brain function and delay age-related cognitive decline. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory properties and may support brain health. Immunity. Citrus fruits, egg, oranges, grapefruits, excellent sources of vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system. Garlic boosts immune function and has antimicrobial properties. Yogurt contains probiotics that support a healthy gut and strengthen the immune system. Heart health. Berries, high in antioxidants and polyphenols, which promote heart health. Oats, rich in soluble fiber that helps lower cholesterol levels. Almonds, high in healthy fats and vitamin E, which supports heart health. Digestive health. Yogurt contains probiotics that support a healthy gut and aid digestion. Ginger, known for its anti-inflammatory and digestive properties. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain, which aids digestion. Anti-inflammatory. Turmeric contains curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory compound. Leafy greens, egg, spinach, kale, rich in antioxidants and phytochemicals that fight inflammation. Walnuts, high in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, reducing inflammation in the body. Bone health. Dairy products, egg, milk, cheese, yogurt, excellent sources of calcium and vitamin D, essential for bone health. Broccoli, high in calcium, vitamin K, and other nutrients necessary for bone health. Sesame seeds contain calcium and other minerals crucial for maintaining strong bones.